Look at this thing here, free. Lovely, lovely, lovely boat. Lovely, lovely, lovely boat. That's not been fishing for a while, but look at that. That's how a wooden boat should look. Absolutely beautiful. Fishing boats of Scotland. Look, she's a scallop dredger. Here's a dredge. What she got on here? 6 aside. Yeah. Look at her houseboat. Not sure if these are still fishing now, but they class these as the I reckon the average age of a Scottish fishing boat now is 50-year-old, but there's a all-weather lifeboat. Little boat there, look. Christ, that's had some. She's beautiful here. I quite like this one, Challenger. She's decommissioned, but what a boat she was. Look at that. I think she was a roly-poly little thing, but looks like she was a prawn boat. Yeah, she's a prawn boat, look. Old cod end to come up there, look. Now, prawn boat. Probably use a double net. Up the side there. Straight little scupper there. A little salting table. That would have been a nice boat in its time. God, I would have loved to cut my hand off of that. Yeah, headway. A beautiful boat, decommissioned. Such a shame that I've cut the engine out of it, I think. It's a shame seeing a beautiful fishing boat which made a lot of money. We've got another prawn boat there. Oh God, what a shame. Shame to see them. Beautiful boat, this one looks like it's actually been used. Horsepower cars. Nice Audi. That one over there, that's a part of that is. We're working down here at the moment. We're doing a bit of work on a pier. There's a marina. Yeah, she's a prawn boat. There's Mallig. Beautiful place, few yachts. Don't go far without seeing a shopping trolley though. Right. Good co-op. Now that is a beautiful yacht. I mean, there we go, Darren. What a beautiful yacht. I'd love that. There's a plasty. Council houses at the top there, mate. I think oh, we've got a seal here. I've been kissed by a rose on a grave. Yeah, seal. Killer's wife. Yeah. This is Mallig for you.